Hello, my name is Lisa Mackenzie. I'm the manager of Racer Marina in Huahin, Pranburi. At Racer Marina, you can maintain your boat, meaning that we have a mechanic on site, a welder. We can do anti-fueling, but we maintain, we look after, we clean every boat. We also look after jet skis and just put in the water whenever the clients want to come over. We have 2 studios and a 2-bedroom apartment for people who want to come over to stay the night. We have a cafe restaurant where people can just come and have a drink, look at boats, enjoy it. We also do events nearly every month. If you're at Pattaya and you want to go to Koh Samui, well, I can suggest that you come to the marina, refuel, have something to eat, something to drink, and go off again to Koh Samui, or even spend the night here.